Hi and welcome. In today's video I am updating the recipe on bonbon ole, also known as milk sweet. If you've been making yours and you still do not understand how the ratio works, I am going to explain. Now I have added half cup of water and I am going to proceed to add 1 cup of sugar. This therefore means your sugar should be more than your water. You're going to make sure to mix properly so your sugar dissolves. You should equally note that your milk is supposed to surpass the rest of the ingredients. So can you see the quantity left? That is all we have left. It is really thick because of the sugar in it. So this is a sugar syrup somewhat. Now after bubbling like this, we are going to proceed to add our lemon juice, and I am going in with just 1 teaspoon. This is because lemon juice serves as a preservative. It is not there to add flavor and all of that. So if you put too much, it is definitely going to cause your milk to curdle in the wrong way. Now you're going to add your milk bit by bit. Just continue to add and stir. Make sure to mix properly. In case your milk is so much, add just 1 cup of water like this. 1 cup of water and mix properly. This is so that you tend to achieve a thick and firm milk sweet. This is the easiest way I can explain. I have another video coming up that will make it the final video on how to make this type of milk sweet. So after mixing properly, you're going to let it sit on the fire to cook. Your milk has to cook. So after cooking, you're going to take your milk and transfer to a tray that you must have applied oil on, and you're going to cut with your hands and mold. That is just it. Apply oil on your palm and mold. This is so it doesn't stick and all of that. Looking at it, you can see how firm it looks already. Now there's another type that is extremely hard, but I settled for this because it is actually milky, really thick and milky. So the third one will be the hard one. However, it does not come out as extremely white like this, but it is extremely strong. Now to preserve this properly, you're going to find an airtight container. After it must have cooled down, I let it cool down for 10 minutes. As it gets cold, it gets firm, but don't keep it out for so long, else it is going to be airy.